from Slovenia again. I'm playing with some pouring mediums lately, mix some stuff together to see the results, and today I mixed 2.5 parts of Elmers School Glue with half a part of Liquitex Gloss Medium, not Gloss Medium and Varnish, Gloss Medium, and 2 parts of water. I mixed that together and got my pouring medium, and then I mixed it around 2:1 with my paints, and this is my consistency. And when I do my reverse flower dip techniques that I got lacing, I first try to, blow my pearl white, because of course I have my pearl white here too, that it's Vallejo pearl medium with titanium white and pouring medium, and my pearl white is kind of my catalyst for the lacing. And when I start using new pouring medium, I kind of add a solid color or something on top of the pearl white, blow it out and see if it lays. So here are 3 of them that I liked, so let me go closer. This was the swipe on the gold background with the white cell activator, kind of. All the paints are mixed the same, but it was white on the top or on the bottom of my palette knife, or whatever you prefer. Here my kind of cell activator was a permanent blue violet, and on the other one too, and the colors are just Quinacridone burnt orange and Quinacridone nickel azo gold and gold. This one is probably my favorite. Not as much lacing as with the bloom technique, but interesting. So I will write down the recipe in the description if somebody wants to play with it. And of course my pearl white mixture is probably not probably, definitely an important ingredient here too, because it grabs the color beside the pearl white and lace, they create some lacing with it. So it was a fun experiment. So let me know what you think about it, and if you want me to try to play with that some more to see where this can lead us. I will definitely play with this some more.